Well, here it is. It is Wednesday morning at a little after 8:30 here on St. Thomas, and we are at latitude 18.1 right now. We're at latitude, 18.34. Right now the storm's at 18.1. It's about 90 miles away. It'll be here in about 6 hours, so this is the wind about 6 hours before Hurricane Irma actually hits. If it keeps turning north the way it is, it'll be at latitude 18.5. We're at 18.34, so the eye of the hurricane will be roughly about 15 or 16 miles north of us. Right now, I'm guessing that the wind speed is somewhere around 50 miles an hour, probably gusting to about 16. If you're wondering how folks in St. Thomas like us, this is how we have boarded up the house. These are traditional Danish West Indies hurricane shutters. We're in a masonry house. However, we do not have masonry roofs. We have metal roofs, just like the majority of folks here in St. Thomas. If you're wondering what we do with the lawn furniture, they are in the pool. That's what you actually do. You throw the lawn furniture into the pool. That way it doesn't blow away. This is our master guest house. It is all boarded up. As you can see from where we're at, we're on Peterborg, which is the peninsula that makes up Meagans Bay, and we overlook the British Virgin Islands. So you can see that this is Hans Lalik Island across the channel. You can't see because of the rain, but that would be Joost van Dyke, is straight across, and that is Drake's Channel. And then downwind is the rest of St. Thomas. So we are again on the northwest corner of St. Thomas. We're at latitude 18.34. The storm right now is about 90 miles to our west, and it is at latitude 18.1, moving west-northwest about 2 degrees every 3 hours. So we are estimating that it'll be around latitude 18.5 when it hits us in St. Thomas, which would be roughly about 15 miles from the north, or probably over the islands of Anegada, Tortola. It'll probably hit those islands head on, Anegada and Tortola, British West Indies. Again, we're probably about 50 miles an hour right now in St. Thomas, gusting up to about 60, and hunker down, hoping for the best. This is at Meagans Hideaway. We'll keep you updated.